Work, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
You couldn't take 2 minutes?
One more. One more kisses.
Quit! Don't you get away from me. We're not friends anymore.
No. Oh, God, no.
Oh, my God.
Am I
She just started to lay on me like this and fell asleep.
To do a higher volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer,
swear to God, if you fart your tongue, what are we doing?
Hey, Justice.
He's like, I'm gonna do what I want to do.